Patching up, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, patching up. This is a common expression in English, often used in various contexts. Understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in. Patching up originally comes from a literal context. To patch something up means to repair or fix a physical object, like clothing or a tire, by covering a hole or a weak spot with a patch. It's about making something that's damaged or torn whole and usable again. This physical action gives us a good foundation for understanding its metaphorical uses. In a metaphorical sense, patching up is often used to describe the act of repairing a relationship or friendship. When people have disagreements or fall out, they might take steps to resolve their issues and restore their relationship. This process is likened to patching up because it's about fixing the tears in their relationship and making it strong and whole again. In the medical field, patching up can refer to providing basic medical care, especially in emergency or makeshift situations. It implies giving temporary treatment to wounds or injuries, often until more comprehensive care can be provided. This usage emphasizes the idea of temporary or immediate repair, not a long-term solution. Let's see some examples of how to use patching up in sentences. 1. After their argument, they spent some time patching up their friendship. 2. The old jeans were torn, but she was skilled at patching them up. 3. The nurse quickly patched up the patient's wound. These examples show the versatility of this phrase in different contexts. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, patching up, and how you can use it in various situations. Remember, whether it's fixing a pair of jeans, a friendship, or a minor injury, patching up is all about making things right and whole again. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.